Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Twitter sensitive content settings not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Twitter application. And you need to update your Twitter. As you can see that my Twitter is up to date. And then you need to go into the settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and here go into the app list and search for the Twitter, and then you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Twitter, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on privacy and safety, and then you need to click on content you see, and on the top you will see an option display media that may contain sensitive content. You can turn that on and off from here. So this is the process by which you can fix Twitter sensitive content settings not working. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.